Hi, welcome back to another video by Daniel and John, and at last we've managed to get our netting in and frame for our garden peas, but this approach would be the same I guess for sweet peas as well. So these peas have been grown from seed here, put straight in the ground, and we've got this result. And all I've done, if you watch one of my videos, we built these H frames. You can see them further along the allotment there, and I bought some of this netting. It's quite big.
Put a link in the description to
it. And what happens is, and I've got some bamboo canes and thread it through, and I've sort of really created like a bit of a wigwam, a bit of a triangle. And what happens, you can see already that these things are looking for something to curl on there. You just see there how they're wanting to curl, and they'll hook onto all this netting.
It's already started there, hasn't it?
Too, yeah, they'll hook onto stuff and they will shoot up. All I'm going to add to this is some sort of bird-proof stuff, which is like very soft black netting. You see the holes in it are quite, and it stops butterflies getting in and eating it. This is quite small if you look compared to our netting on our fruit cage. You can see the holes are quite small.
The holes are
so this allows bees, this won't allow anything. But peas don't need to be pollinated, they're self-pollinating.
Yeah, some things don't, do they?
You don't need to feed them either, because they apparently put their own nitrogen in the soil it's in. But we did put some fairly decent soil in if you look at one of our previous videos. So they are growing, looking really good. There's one or two weeds in there, but everybody's here today.
So it's in the raised bed. So John, what John's saying is you build the frame however you want to do it. You could use bamboo, you could use this stuff, it's entirely up to you, but this is how we've done it. And he's also going to put some netting over just to protect it.
And it does make it easier having these what we call H frames, because you just lean things against it. And now that I want to put some black netting on it, I can just lean it over and it'll take the weight of it. So they're sort of paying dividends just popping these in. Anyway, we'll come back to the pea thing probably in couple of months or so.
Yeah, we'll show you in future videos, but this is how we've constructed this frame.
And they have grown in these beds from seed. All we did was pop some of this over them.
So yeah, we used the white fleece over them originally.
Yeah.
And then once they'd come through like now, we've made the frames and we're going to put a bit of protection on it. I don't know what these are.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
We seem to have had a definite success with the lettuces.
Yeah.
But lessons learned.
I might show you that in another video, but this is just for the how to construct a basic frame. You can buy metal frames, can't you? With netting.
You can buy all sorts.
But this is how we've done it anyway. Thanks for watching.
Universal.